First get 2 glasses. Now fill its water. First I select this glass. Get egg and drop it glass. You can see it moving down. Now get salt. Mix it in second glass. Tie it properly. Now get another egg and drop it salt water. You can see egg is floating on water. Even if you try to down it, but it will come up.